once again I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is our environmental studies, and today we are going to learn about technology and its uses. Technology and its uses. Children, we do all have technology in our house. You might be thinking, what is that? What is meant by technology? Right, I know that. I can hear it from you all. Okay, technology means using the knowledge of science to make our life easier, faster and better. Okay, technological inventions helps to reduce our time, our energy and to make our life faster. Okay, so what is technology? That is the use of knowledge of science to make our life faster, easier, save the energy, save the time also. So kids, do you have any technological gadgets in your house that you used always or most? So what do you think? What is the technological gadgets do we have in our house? We have refrigerator, right? Everyone has refrigerator in our house. So refrigerator helps to store the things fresh, keep the things fresh for longer time. We have grinder, we have mixer grinder, we have washing machine, okay, blender. So all these things helps to work faster. In older days, we won't have mixer, grinder, washing machine. We have to do all the work by hand. So we have technological gadget and we use it in our house also. Okay, children. And next, not only in our house, we can see the technological inventions around us that makes the work fast, that helps to work fast, save time and quicker. Okay. So what are the technological inventions that we see around us? We see technological inventions to make the food grains, to make the clothes, to make the jewelries. Okay. And what are the technological inventions? They are sewing machine. Sewing machine helps to make the clothes, sew the cloth faster. Okay. Thresher. Thresher is the technological invention that helps to make the food grains. Printing machine. Nowadays the jewelries are made with the printing machines so easily. It helps to make new different designs jewelries. Okay. Secondly, the technology inventions helps to reduce the amount of energy that we spent to work during the olden days, such as washing machine. We won't have washing machine in the olden days, but now we have washing machine. What do? We put the clothes, we put the detergent powder in, and after that we turn on the machine and we do another work. So it reduces our energy. Okay, it helps to, it saves our energy. And car. See, in olden days we didn't have car because we have to go by bus or we have to go by walk, and it takes too long time. But with the car, we go in the place wherever we want to go with no time. Okay. And next, tractor. In olden days, we used to plow the land, plow the field, crop field with the hands using the cow. But now we need not to do that because we have tractors. Tractor helps to plow it very faster. Okay, so this invention, technological inventions helps to reduce the amount of energy. Thirdly, technologies are invented to help have better and faster life. Okay, such as computer. Okay, in olden days we used to have typewriter and we have to sit and type whole day. But nowadays we could type and take the printout in according to whatever design we want, whatever format we want. Okay, in no time we could make it out. Next, ATM machine. So in olden days, what do we do? If we need to draw the amount or if we need to deposit the amount, what do? We go in a bank, we take a challan, we fill it, and we have to stand in a queue, and after that the cashier will get the challan and we have to wait until the cashier calls us to get the money. So it takes too long time now. Okay, but now we have ATM machine. So ATM machine helps to take the amount with no time. We insert the card and we quickly take out the amount. We come back. So it makes our life faster, isn't it, children? Next, mobile also helps a lot. Okay, it makes our life faster, because in olden days we have to make any STD call, we have to go to STD, we have to stand in a line. But with no time, we could make a call and we can talk to the person whom we want to talk. And finally, aeroplane. Just think about it. In olden days, there wasn't much aeroplane. We have to go by train, that takes too long, or we have to go by car, or that takes too much time, or even sometimes we couldn't afford aeroplane also. But now, if you want to go anywhere, we can go with no time. We can go faster, because we have aeroplane. And we can go from one place to another as quickly as we can. Okay, so all these technology inventions have made our life easier, faster, helps to reduce the amount of energy, the working energy, time, even the people also. So these technological inventions have made our life easier. Okay, children. So I hope that you have understood what is a technological inventions. Okay, let's do the worksheet. Take out your worksheet and turn to the next worksheet. This is the worksheet that we are going to do. Put today's date and name. Stick the picture of things that work on technology. Okay, so 4 pictures you have to stick and you have to write its name below. So there are many technology we have: refrigerator, even we have mobile phone, and then washing machine, and then car. So car is one of that. ATM machine is there, tractor. So everything that works on technology. Okay, so you have to stick the picture of it. You have to buy the picture of the technological invention, technological gadgets, and you have to stick it here. Even you could stick the picture of mixer grinder, blender, juicer, toaster. In olden days we didn't have toaster, microwave oven. All these are technological gadgets. Okay, so you can get the pictures of that and stick it and write its name below it. Okay, children. So with this I am coming to an end of today's class. Until I meet you in the next new day, it's your Manta saying bye and take care.